Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video. In this video, we will learn how to build a word cloud in Python. Word cloud is the pictorial representation of the most frequently repeated words representing the size of the word. So first we need to install the library word cloud, and we can type on our terminal pip3 command, pip3 install word cloud, and just hit enter. We have successfully installed word cloud, and now we can use in our Python code. We'll just clear the terminal. And write code. So we are going to build word cloud. First, we are going to import from word cloud import word cloud. And our word cloud by calling word cloud generate from frequencies. And here we are going to pass in frequency distribution. From I need to import frequency distribution. From NLTK dot probability import frequency distribution. I will add words with their frequencies. So this would be just few words and their frequency count, and pass into our frequency distribution. So this will be our frequency distribution, and we are going to call NLTK dot frequency distribution. And inside we will have word with their frequency count. So this would be suggest internet 20 and software 10, and then we have Python with 100. Now I'm going to pass in this our frequency distribution. Just gonna copy from here and pass to this function, generate from frequencies. Also need to import matplotlib dot pyplot as blt. And now we are going to plot the word cloud. plt dot image show. This will be our word cloud. And the interpolation will be set to bilinear. So this one will be interpolation set to bilinear. And plot axis off. Also need to import NLTK, and at the start I'm going to add import NLTK. Now we are going to, and now we can just add plot.showCall. We are calling show function and run our code and check the output. And here is a simple, nice looking word cloud. I will add few more words and with their frequencies. We'll add awesome and its frequency. I will add it to 50 maybe, or 200. Let's do with 50. And now I'm going to add another one, code, and I will make it 200. And now I'm going to run the code again and check the output. And this is much better looking word cloud. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.